students ezininzi ziye zithini zizifile trigonometry ngakumbi ipaper 2 ngoba azifundiswanga indlela etheni efanelekileyo yosolve ezi questions, right? So kule video ndizawusolve i-trigonometric question esiyifumana kwincwadi yethu Siyavula, right? Andikazuzenza i-question papers gogo, but I'm trying to kuthini kuncedana nani guys ukuze si-understand i-content before siye kwi-question papers, right? So sine-question yethu apha left hand side where apho khona sifuneka siprove khona, right? So ukuze ukwazi uprove nifuneka yenzile eqale uthini uxelele imark ba no ndizawusolve ntoni, ndizawusolve i-left hand side, that iba ntoni ndizawusolve i-left hand side yam. Uyabo uxelele imark uba ungana solve i-left hand side because the question ithi prove that i-left hand side iyalingana ne-right hand side, right? So sendizayenza ngayo lena ukuthini kuthethini kuphela le question ngaphezulu because unyenzayo apho uthini ubonisa imarker qha uba uthini uchoose i-left hand side. So it's gonna be sin theta minus cos 2 theta, right? So into yokuqala efuneka uyenzile apho kuthini because yabona le nantsika le question le apho ku-numerator sinononi sine-double angle guys, yabo. So sina le double angle sinayo, so ninzayo uqala ukuthini ukusolve for le double angle, right? Double angle ka sin ngibani izaba ngo-2 sin theta cos theta, right? So guys, if you also understand double angles, please ungaklicka le video ilapha ku-top right, welcard ku-top right, then apho khona ndiyazicacisa double angles and all that guys, yabo. So second question we say that bana it's what even ngu numerator izaba ngu sin theta minus what, and then uyabona we have also what we have le double angle kabani ka cos, right? So now we need to solve the double angle ka cos. So izaba ngubani izaba ngu 1 minus 2 sin squared theta, right? I'm choosing sin because indoni I want numerator yami ibe yi-1 trigonometric function ukuze theni ndikwazi uyisolve, right? So kule nto funeka uthini kwezi questions wenza njani uzisolve intentionally because ikwazi uthini usolve le trigonometric function ka cos ibe ngu-cos because awukwazi ibe ngu-cos because noni sine-sign up, yabo. So you need to ube ngu-sign okwayo sizozithini sizokwazi uyisolve kakuhle, yabo. So let's get back to the question. So nenzekayo apha kuthini siyabona mos kwi-numerator we have what we have sin and then we have cos and then we have cos, meaning that thini sine like term a multiplier sine like term between what between these two terms engubani engu-cos because cos is multiplying sin and also sine cos over 19 ngapha ko-operation sign, right? So sawuthini thini sizothatha u-cos sibeke ngaphandle cos theta, and then sosheka nabani sosheka no-2 sin theta minus 1, right? And then sheka nabani, so apha ku-numerator let's solve i-numerator bazaba ngu-sin theta plus 2 sin squared theta minus 1, right? Minus 1 guys, right? So also nisiyaqaphela ukuthi okay let's sibhale kahle and then I'll see ndizawucacisa kabanzi. Sinobani sino cos theta multiplying what sin theta minus 1 over what over 2 sin squared theta plus sin theta minus 1, right? So now into safuneka siyenzile we see that bana ndoni lena yi-quadratic, we see that bana lena yi-quadratic trigonometric function, trigonometric equation basically, yabo. This is a quadratic trigonometric equation. Ungakwazi usolve ngokuthini ngokuthi sithini si-factorize, right? Nenzayenza now I'm gonna show you that bana iyafana le nto iyafana nabani no 2x squared plus x minus 1, because so we have what we have like terms sine and then sine, and then it's what it's a binomial, it's a trinomial, right? So if we lolu hlobo ubuyisolva njani? If lolu hlobo mase uzoyisolva ngobani uthini ube ngu 2x minus 1, and then bengibani ibe ngu x plus 1, yabo. And then when you multiply this, when you plus multiply nezinto, they'll come back to what this original equation, right? So this is the same thing esiyenzayo nalapha guys, akhona ichange le, yabo. Le nto iyafana le besenze le nto iyafana nale, just that bana kuchinje ntoni, kuchinje inantsika it's not in chinje i-variables, asina x nabani sino sine, right? So izaba ngu cos theta 2 sine theta minus 1, and then it's gonna be all over what? It's gonna be all over, then plus solve izaba ngubani? So sheka nabani no 2 sine theta minus 1 nabani no sine theta plus 1 guys, right? Sine theta plus 1, right? So now uzotini sibona that bana we have like terms, and then we have the multiplication operation sign between these two terms, right? We have 2 sine theta minus 1, and also going to denominator sinabani so 2 sine theta minus 1, right? So ezino zothini za cancellation guys, this is a cancellation. Then sosheka nabani thina sizoshiyeka nabani no cos theta over sine theta plus 1 guys, right? Because we're proving was about left hand side is equals to the right hand side, right? So le nto iyafana nantoni, left hand side yethu iyafana nantoni nale right hand side, right? Iyafana, which means we've solved it guys, we've solved it. So then therefore left hand side is equals to what? The right hand side, right? So guys, if you reach this point kule video ningathanda ukuthi uthi subscribe to my channel ukuze ukwazi ungaphoswa enye video xa likhuphayo, yabo, because niyenzayo lincedisa abantwana online ku maths, ku physics, ku life sciences, right? Guys, I'm helping you because I know that inansika maths is hard, and then you need someone who's oyithini or expect uzokwazi ukuncedisa that is gonna guide you towards indlela right, yabo. So guys, please subscribe to my channel so uzokwazi uthini each and every time when you copy video uzoba notified, and also you can be ahead of your class, right? So yeah guys, inkosi kakhulu ngobukela le video ngana kanjani. I'll make sure if you follow my channel uzamfumana A ku maths na ku physics na ku life science na kanjani guys. So thank you very much for watching, nizibona kwenye video.